Hello everyone, today I want to tell you 10 tips on how to use the complete notes for AS chemistry. My number one tip here is to learn the mark scheme points. Those are the ones that will score you the marks in the actual exam. So while reading, check those sentences written in orange. These are the ones that would score you the mark in the actual exam. My second tip is to memorize the definitions. They would ask you to define or write the definition of key terms. So learn those definitions. I put a brain science so that you remember to memorize these definitions. Another tip is to learn the key terms. The key terms are very helpful, especially when you are writing long answers. I ask my students usually to build their answers around these key terms. So you have these key terms in your mind. It's very easy to write written answers. Those are very long, like the essay questions. While studying, make sure that you've covered the entire syllabus. So I've put a checklist of the syllabus points, and these are aligned with the pages of the book. So let's say you've studied page 5. You know what exactly part of the syllabus that you have actually covered. Make sure you look at the summaries at the end of each topic. These summaries help you to link up different information in one place and helps you to save a lot of time before the exam. Practicals are a major part of Unit 3, but practical questions do come in Unit 1 and 2. So I put a flask or test tube sign for sections that are important for your practical exam. In many cases, the examiner asks you to draw diagrams, especially diagrams of apparatus like the ones shown here. So make sure that you've studied how to draw these diagrams yourself. Stoichiometry is a major part of all of your 3 exam papers. Learning the formulae that I've shown here are very helpful to save you time while solving problems. When I've written the complete notes for AS chemistry, I made sure that I've covered every single detail from the syllabus in under 100 pages. So don't use the actual textbook. It's quite lengthy. It has a lot of details that you don't need. You should rather practice exam papers instead of learning details that you don't need for your exam. And as always, the best way to prepare for your exam is to practice exam questions. So my advice is to spend less time reading and memorizing the notes and solve exam questions right after you finish each topic.